Imagine standing amidst the breathtaking Himalayas, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs, completely stress-free. That's the dream, right? But getting there requires navigating the often confusing world of Nepal visas. This video is your ultimate guide to unlocking that serene adventure, ensuring you have your visa in hand for the next Nepalese expedition. Welcome to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. And today we will walk you through a step-by-step guide to applying for Nepal's Electronic Travel Authorization, commonly known as the ETA or the E-Visa. With this ETA, you can enter Nepal and head straight to the immigration desk, skipping the long queues at kiosks to fill out forms or make payments. So let's dive right in. To initiate the visa application process, visit Nepal's official immigration website. I'll add the website link in the description. From the menu, select Electronic Travel Authorization to start your application. Enter your passport issuing country, passport number, date of birth, and proceed. On the next page, enter personal details and passport details as prompted, along with scanned copy of your passport and photograph. Once the details are filled, proceed to the next page. Choose your preferred visa option. You have 3 options for your visa: 15 days for $30, 30 days for $50, and 90 days for $125. Enter the purpose of your travel, along with your accommodation details, and proceed. Carefully review all your details on the confirmation page. Once reviewed, click on the confirm button. Once submitted, you will receive a one-time password in your email. Enter it to complete the submission. Upon successful submission, an application form with a unique submission ID will be displayed on your screen. Download and print the application form. You can also track your application by returning to the home page and selecting the Visa Application Track option. You need to provide specific details such as country name, submission number, passport number, and date of birth to track your application's progress. Now, finally, payment process. Once your application is verified, you will receive an email with payment instructions. Currently, e-Visa fees can only be paid through Nepalese payment channels such as mobile banking apps, Connect IPS, eSewa, or Khalti. If you don't have access, a relative or a travel agent in Nepal can help by sending you a QR code or voucher number. Online payment for international travelers is expected soon, so always check the immigration website for the latest updates. If you can't arrange a payment online, you can still get a visa on arrival at Kathmandu airport or any other entry ports. And that's everything you need to know about Nepal's electronic travel authorization. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to We the Travelers for more unfiltered travel tips.